Hey everyone, welcome to KAL Moto. Today we are working on the exhaust heat wrap install for my KYMCO Spade 150i. Let's start with unboxing. This is full heat wrap kit I'm using for this project. This kit also includes a user manual with diagrams and a bonus pair of gloves to handle the wrap safely. It's a thoughtful touch. As you can see, the user manual has clear diagrams and instructions given to use safely. Here are all the tools and parts you will need. I am removing the plastic wrap and getting the metal strips ready for the installation. So at first, according to the user's manual, we need to dampen the wrap first. So I am spraying it with a bit of water. This helps it to flex better while installed. And now I am starting the wrap from the engine side of the exhaust. Wrap it tight and overlap each turn by about half an inch for the best heat insulation. Now, once the first round is done, secure it using a metal zip tie. Make sure it's snug before moving it forward. Now, let's tighten the metal zip ties and make sure they are fully secure before trimming. Now I am continuing the wrap along the length of the exhaust pipe, keeping it tight and overlapping slightly for better insulation. Once I have wrapped enough length, I am securing it with another metal strip to hold it tight in place before continuing further. Alright, now I am using the remaining metal strips to tighten the wrap securely across the pipe. Once they are locked in, I am trimming the excess using the cutting plier and adjusting everything to sit it flush and clean. And I repeated the same wrapping process across the full exhaust pipe. Here is the final result. Tight, secure and looking clean with that custom heat wrap finish. I left a small gap here to protect the wire connected to the exhaust sensor. Finally, it's time for the test. I started the bike and give it a few revs. The heat wrap looks solid and it's holding perfectly in place even as the engine heats up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching KAL Moto, ride, mod and repeat. Please like and subscribe for more DIY vlogs and future videos. Your support means a lot. And for more updates, follow us on social media. Thank you. God bless everyone. Ride, mod, repeat.